Guys, welcome back to the channel. This your boy Vincent, and today we are inside Jamhuri Car Bazar, bringing you the big December deals, guys. So the cars that are actually worth your money before the year ends. So from tough Prados to luxurious crowns to the legendary Land Cruiser V8. Now let's break down. Let's break down what you get, what to avoid, and which one is the real December bargain. So let's jump in right. Let's start with this first unit here. This one is Toyota Prado J150. This for the year 2009, Prado J150. This is an SUV you buy when you want reliability without selling your kidneys. Reliability without selling your kidneys, guys. So this one comes with a 2.7 liter petrol engine, and it's smooth, simple, and easy to maintain. This Toyota Prado J150. Now, for the fuel efficient fuel consumption, well, it's a Prado, so why expect 15 kilometers per liter. But what it gives you is comfort, space, and legendary Toyota durability. So this is the interior. Look at that. Very nice, very clean interior. Very nice, very spacious and neat. So that's why I was saying it gives you comfort, space, and that legendary Toyota durability. You can see it has power window controls, push to start button, power button, and at only 2.599 million Kenya shillings. This is one of the best value J150s on the market right now. So if you're interested in this, you can just contact the number and hook you up with the seller, guys. Very nice, very nice. Guys, thank you so much. If you're new here, consider subscribing for more videos like this. And like the video and also comment down below your thoughts. Very clean. That's Toyota Prado J150. Very nice. Next one here, we have another Toyota Prado J150. So the other one was for 2009. This one is for 2010. 2010. So the 2010 Prado, same engine, same toughness, but a newer year and usually fewer issues. I'll show you the interior. Interior is slightly more refined compared to the other unit. Ride quality is a bit smoother, and this one is the model you buy if you want that honor of the meeting energy. Now, for only 2.75 million Kenya shillings, it's a small jump from the 2009 model, but absolutely worth it if the condition is cleaner. So you can see this for 2010. Very clean. Let's look at the interior of this unit. You can see that very neat, very clean, very nice. Wow. So that's the interior. It looks amazing. That's the trunk space, and that's the way it looks, guys. This goes for only 2.75 million Kenya shillings. All these prices are negotiable. They are negotiable prices, guys. Very nice. Today I'm just showing you some of the big machines at Jamhuri Car Bazar this December. Very nice. You can see that screen. It's a manual transmission. Very clean interior. It's leather seats. Very nice, very nice. If you're enjoying the video, kindly subscribe, like, and also you can comment, leave a comment down below. Very clean, guys. So that's the way it looks, guys. Very clean. That's for 2010 Prado, Toyota Prado 2010. Very nice. So next here we have this one here is Mitsubishi Pajero. Wow. This one here is what I call the underdog king. The Pajero 2014 diesel. It's a 3-liter class diesel. Powerful tongue, better fuel economy than petrol Prados, and one of the most comfortable suspensions in its category. So for only at 2.1 million Kenya shillings, this honestly a steal. So if you want a serious 4x4, but your wallet is shouting, pole pole boss, the Pajero is your guy. So it's a super 4-wheel drive plus diesel savings. That's equals to December blessings, guys. So look at that. Very nice, very clean interior. These are Mitsubishi Pajero. This for 2014, guys. Very clean, very clean. Look at that. Very nice. This goes for only 2.1 million Kenya shillings. Negotiable price. Wow. Very nice. So that's the interior looks, guys. Very nice, guys. If you're interested in any of these cars, guys, you be careful and be keen while viewing these cars, guys. Very clean. So next here we have another Toyota Prado. This one is J120. Now we go to we go older now. This for 2004 Prado J120. This car is a warrior. It's a warrior. So these Prados have gone to Turkana, Marsabit, Namanga, and back to Nairobi without complaining. But let me be honest, at this age, condition is everything. So you check the engine, check the injectors, check the chassis, and if it's well maintained, 1.65 million is a crazy good deal for anyone looking for a budget big SUV like this one here, like this Prado J120, guys. So this goes for only 1.65 million Kenya shillings. That's the interior. Very clean. That's the trunk space. Very neat, guys. You can see it's very clean. It's very neat, guys. Very clean. It's an amazing SUV, guys. It's a manual. It's a manual transmission. Manual transmission, guys. Very nice. So this goes for only 1.65 million Kenya shillings. Very nice. That's Prado J120. It's a diesel driven. Nice. So next here we have a Toyota Land Cruiser. This is a V8. Look at that, guys. V8. The mighty V8. Now when you start this engine, even your enemies knows you've arrived. Even your enemies knows you've arrived. This is power plus luxury plus off-road dominance. But please, fuel consumption is not kidogo. This is for the people who can feed it. So at 3 million, it's one of the most affordable V8 entries you'll find, depending on the year and condition. This is a proper beast. Look at that. Wow. This is a beast, a beast, a beast. It goes for only 3 million Kenya shillings, negotiable. That's the interior, very nice. Very nice interior. Can't tell that color. Most men are color blind. Just comment down below which color is that for the seats. Very nice. So this is the way it looks. Wow. It's manual transmission. Very nice, very nice. This is a beast, a beast. Guys, I hope you are enjoying the video. Kindly like, share, and also subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet for more videos like these, guys. This December deals, I'll be showing you more units. Now let's shift from SUVs to something smooth. This is a Toyota Crown. This for 2015. It's a pure comfort, style, luxury for the price of a Pro Box with feelings. Now for this 2500cc engine capacity, it's a quiet ride, and also fuel consumption that won't make you cry at the pump. So for only 1.88 million Kenya shillings, this is one of the smartest buys this December. If you want class without overspending, you come for this Toyota Crown 2015, guys. 2015, very nice. Look, let me show you the interior. Very nice, very nice. Sorry, this pure comfort, style, luxury. Very nice for the price of a Pro Box. Look at that. Power window controls, and that's a push to start engine. Very clean. You can see even the mileage is 142,000 kilometers. Wow. This unit goes for 1.88 million Kenya shillings. Negotiable. You can negotiate on the price. These are some of the deals at Jamhuri Car Bazar. Very clean, guys. That one is Toyota Crown. And we will end the video here. Finally, there's another Toyota Crown. I'll show you. That's the final unit. This one here. This is the 2018 Crown, guys. You can see it's more advanced, newer shape, more tech, cleaner interior, better safety features, and honestly one of the most beautiful sedans Toyota has ever built. I'll show you the interior. It's very clean. Look at that. So if you want to enter 2026 looking like a CEO, even if you are not, this is the car. So at 2.68 million, it's premium but worth every shilling. Look at that, guys. Very nice unit. Let's look at the interior. Look at the seats, guys. Very clean, very nice and comfortable. Very clean. Wow. This for 2018 Toyota Crown. Very nice. Those are the AC controls. Very nice. Sorry. So this is the way it looks from inside. You can see it has power window controls. Look at that. Very nice. Whoa, very clean interior. It has a screen there, and this automatic. It's automatic, guys. Very nice, very nice, very nice. So guys, and those are your December deals at Jamhuri Car Bazar. So which one would you take home? The V8 Beast, the classic Crown, or the reliable Prado? Drop a comment down below in the comment section. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more real car reviews, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.